Yeah.
Okay, so just finished trying to fly a drone. It's it's really windy, so I was having a hard time controlling the drone. I got like a very small video, maybe less than 1 minute, so we'll see what it looks like. So yeah, as you can see, beautiful ocean. So now I'm gonna go look for those tacos in Zanzibar. Yeah, we'll meet there. Whew, it's hot. Okay, so the place that I came to check out is actually closed. Temporarily closed, so I guess I have to find another place. Okay, so now back on the main road. I'm actually gonna try another taco place. Looks like it's in some kind of compound or some kind of street food compound where they have different street foods. So yeah, hopefully it's not closed. So yeah, let's go try that place. See you guys there. Bento Paje food court. That's the name I was looking for. Food court. So that's where I'm going. So yeah, see what it looks like.
Yeah.
Ambo. Okay. Mexican.
No.
Kaka, Mexican food? Oh, asante. Mambo dada. Asante. Yeah, so that's how it looks like from top. Very cool design. It reminds me of the food court in Nairobi. I can't remember the name of it now. I ate some tacos there. So you can see, really beautiful concept. Obviously, you know, a place like this is just to attract tourists, and obviously the prices will be a bit, you know, a bit steep. Still not bad, but just so you know. Yeah, so just got the tacos. These are beef tacos loaded with tomatoes, some kind of salsa, I guess, avocado, some cheese. This is a hot sauce, and yeah, I asked for soft taco. This is supposed to be soft, but it's kind of hard. So like when it comes to tacos, yeah, I'm very critical of my tacos. I love tacos. So yeah, let's dig in. Yeah, so let's talk about the tacos quickly. They were good. Really impressed. They were good. 8 out of 10. Easy, easy. So I'm just gonna see if I can have a drink here with my friend. And yeah. Cheers. So what do you call them again?
Macerate drum.
Macerate drum. Yeah. So this guy is ram inside. You put some fruits.
Not just rum.
Yeah, a lot of rum. So they use Bacardi rum. They fill those drums. You put some every flavor, different flavors.
Yes.
So that one is mango passion. Oh, pilipili.
Mango passion.
Mango passion.
Banana and vanilla.
Banana and vanilla.
Pineapple.
Pineapple.
Cinnamon and vanilla.
Cinnamon and vanilla.
Delicious.
Okay, so he's gonna give me a shot of
Mango passion.
mango passion.
Let's see.
Yeah, and then there it is. Oh.
Hello. Karibu. Mambo.
Whoa.
Question, can I leave a package here for a few hours and I take it later?
Guys,
Yeah. It's just
this is
some
so good.
champagne.
Very nice. Eh?
Very nice.
Where?
Whoa.
You got an idea?
And this is 5,000 shillings. Wow. Which is like $2. Whew. So cinnamon and vanilla.
That's one maybe it's like Jägermeister.
Yeah, it tastes like Jägermeister. Yeah.
No, Beherovka, you know Beherovka?
Yeah. Guys, so it's been a long day, man. I walked a lot. Not really sure how long this video is gonna be, but it could be 2 parts. But so now walking back to the apartment. I don't know if I'm gonna go out. They keep telling me about the nightlife here is good, so maybe I will. I don't know how I feel. I'll shower, relax. If I feel like going out, then I'll do it. Maybe I'll shoot, take a video of the nightlife here. So, but for now, I'm gonna end this video here. And hopefully you made it to the end. And thank you so much. Like the Swahili people will say, asante sana. Bye bye. Kesho.